secrets. Hi my beautiful people, how are ya? Welcome back to Awesome Hairstyles channel. If you're new, then hello, I'm Zina and I'm a hair artist. And if you are new, consider to subscribe because I post so many hair related tutorials. And guys, don't forget to watch this video till the end so you'll know how to make from this to this luxury hair, and also what products to use to prep your hair for any hairstyle. This is basically how I'm preparing my hair for a tutorial, but I'll be honest with you, sometimes I do just nothing to my hair. Just I'm sleeping with it wet and then I'm walking up like a tiger, and I'm making tutorials as well like that. But when I have good mood and I want you to see how beautiful I am and how beautiful my hairstyles can be, I make this. But today I'm also adding my Mahot all-time favorite hair extension. But today is not about that. Today is about secrets. Because I'll be so honest with you guys. And I think hairstyles are sometimes very tricky because they don't say all the things that they use for that luxury hairstyles that they do. It looks like effortless, la la la, but actually it took a little time to make. For thick and good hair that will make that beautiful braids and updos and that will stay in place, we all use crimpers. Because you maybe think I'm tricky as well, I'll show you that I have 1, 2, 3, 4 types. I think this is how many I have here, but I have actually more because I tried so many of them because I'm more like a hairstylist that is working more with wedding hairstyles. So now my favorite one is this one because it's not that small. I'll show you in another clip somewhere here how every single one of these things works. You can see this one is very thick. This one is very thick. This is basically for that volumized, like fashion hairstyles. These ones are really small that you can use on daily basis. But these ones are more for your roots. And I'll be honest, I love them. I love them to use in like for everyday hairstyles or curls. But this is really better because it takes less time to make it from the roots till the ends. And this is the tool that I'll use today. I'm not telling any brands or something like that. If you want some more details, ask me please in comments down below. I'm so open to speak even about brands because I'm honest with you guys. And these are all bought by my own money. I try all of them basically. And guys, I'll show you basically how to use the tools that you already have at home. So I used this one. If you can see, it is thicker here and smaller here. But let's talk first things first. Girls, if you have long, coarse or silky hair that doesn't hold anything, your friend will be sea salt spray, okay? Because especially if you make overnight curls, you'll love this product because it makes your hair drier like mine. My hair is already dry because I'm blonde, but if you need more texture, you can wash it out, okay? You'll not be blonde. If you need more texture and hold, you want to spray it when your hair is still wet, or let's say not wet but damp, and after that you style your hair. Also, about sugar spray, there is another type of spray and I'll tell you the difference. I don't have that one. You may know that if you have silky hair and your hair is really healthy, you need sea salt spray. But if your hair is blonde or like mine, we have some split ends and it doesn't hold that well, but your hair is not very healthy, sugar spray will help you more. But I'm a curly girl, and if you are a curly girl, you don't need any of these ones. You need only maybe when you want to make heatless curls. But other way, if you just use a hair dryer, I don't recommend to use these things. For texture, also I'll be honest guys, the best thing that hair inventions were made, I just love more just a dry shampoo. Our dry shampoo makes wonders for any hair type, for mine, for yours, and you can have even clean hair. But if you want your hairstyle to stay in place, use dry shampoo. If you want more volume into your hair, use dry shampoo. If you want more volume at your roots, okay, dry shampoo as well. It's for all basically problems. I have so many dry shampoos and I did try so many of them, and I'll tell you the truth, drugstore shampoos works just as well like professional ones. So here I have got to be, and here's for brunettes. Guys, if you are brunette, make sure to use for brunettes, because you know what, you don't want that powder into your hair to see, so make sure to use for brunettes. You can use this white one as well if you can wait a little bit and then just brush it and it will fall down, okay? And you cannot see anything like dry shampoo. I just air dry my hair for today. My hair was just air dry with some leave-in conditioner, and I slicked with it, and you saw how it looked before curling these mermaid curls. Oh my god, I love them. What do you think about them? You like it? I love them so much. Don't brush it with oil because it will just fall down. We want more texture. I'll suggest you even to spray some dry shampoo if your hair is silky and falls, like you don't have too much texture. Before you can use some hairspray as well. I didn't use any hairspray because my hair holds so well curls and voluminous hair. You don't need to make curls. I just choose for today to make my hair curly, but you can use these crimpers from the root till the end and you'll have an amazing base for your hairstyles. And I'll tell you one more thing, if you are using this thing, maybe you don't need any dry shampoo and your hair will last so much more. You'll have more time to love your hair without washing it using these tools. But guys, this really burns your hair. I'll be honest with you, this really does the job and does burn your hair like crazy. And that's why don't press it too much, just run just a little bit. You can see on my roots that I have no texture. This is because I'm not pressing it too much. That's it. I hope that you like this video. If you have more questions, how I style my hair, what products I use, I basically always try to incorporate into my hair. One more thing guys, volume up horses I would like, so this brand can sponsor my video, but it's actually not. I'll tell you, this thing will help you to make texture, but not dirty texture, you know. When you are making that things, you know, I don't know how to call them. I think you understand what I mean because they are so popular now. So this is the thing that you can use, and also it gives some shine to your hair, but also it will weight down your curls. This is basically what I'm using to prepare my hair when I'm going out and when I'm filming a video and I wanna look extra, you know. About shampoo and masks, you know guys, that's so individual. You can, if you have any questions about shampoo as well, please let me know in comments down below. I'll try to my best to answer your question. But that's it for today. I hope that you enjoyed this video so far. If you do, don't forget about thumbs up. Also, if you're new, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell notification button to be notified every time I post a new hair tutorial because I have so many ideas. See you soon. Love you lots.